What is the exact job of front-end, back-end, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, and system design engineer? How all they work together? Let's break these concepts down in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Imagine you are building a house to understand how these areas fit together in the world of software development. The front end is what users see and interact with directly. It is like the exterior of a house, including the paint, windows, and doors. It creates the first impression. Purpose: handle the user interface and design. It ensures user can navigate and see the software easily. The languages are used in this HTML, CSS, JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular. Let's take an example. When you visit a website like YouTube, the buttons, video, search bar, and how they look is the front end. What is the job of backend? The backend is what happens behind the scene. It is like the plumbing, electrical wiring, and foundation of a house user don't see, but it makes everything work. The purpose of backend is handle data, logic, and communication with the database. It ensures the app respond correctly to user actions. The languages are used Python, Java, Node.js, Ruby, PHP, and framework like Django or Spring Boot. Let's take an example. When you log in to a website, the backend checks your user ID and password, fetches your profile, and send it to the front end. What is the work of DevOps? DevOps is like the team that builds the house and ensure everything runs smoothly over time. They make sure the house is functional, safe, and easy to maintain. The main purpose is combines development and operations to build, deploy, and manage software efficiently. The key activities are automating tasks, setting up servers, managing updates, and monitoring performance. They use tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Ansible, CD pipeline. If we take an example, DevOps ensure your app is always up and running with minimal downtime when new updates are added. What is cloud? The cloud is like renting land to build your house. Instead of owning it, you don't need to buy the servers. Instead, you use resources from companies like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. What is the purpose of that? That offer on-demand storage, servers, and tools so you can scale and manage apps without owning hardware. They provide three types of infrastructure: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Infrastructure as a service like renting server and storage, platform as a service like renting a ready-to-use platform, and software as a service like renting software like Gmail or Dropbox. Example: Netflix uses AWS Cloud to store and deliver its videos to users worldwide. System design is like the architect who plan how your house will function. They figure out the layout, where resources will be placed, and how everything connects. Purpose: design software systems that are scalable, reliable, and efficient. And the key concepts are load balancing, database caching, and API design. Example: when WhatsApp plan how to handle billions of messages a day, it uses system design to ensure fast delivery and reliability. How they all work together? Front end is the storefront customers see where they browse products and place orders. The backend team handles the orders, processes payment, and interact with the database. DevOps ensure the store is always online, updates are rolled out smoothly. Cloud provider provides servers, database, and storage to host the store. Infrastructure set up the server, network, and security to support the store. System design plans how the whole system works to handle millions of users without crashing.